Hello! Welcome to the channel. This video is the third part of adjectives. Let's get started. Okay, today the topic is about ed and ing adjectives. Take a look at these two sentences and see if you can answer it properly. So the word given is excited and exciting. It was a very exciting or exciting game. Okay, the other one. Mac was very excited or exciting. His team scored the winning goal. Alright, in order to answer this question properly, we have to take a look at the following explanation. This is really important because you can tell ed adjective and ing adjectives are commonly used in most of the sentences. So let's take a look a little more deeper. Okay? Many adjectives are formed by adding suffixes ed and ing, which means they are ended with ed or ing to verbs, so to make it become a color yellow, an adjective. However, the most important thing is, what's the difference between these two groups of adjectives? Okay, the first one, adjectives ending in ed describe, which means telling people how they feel about something or someone. Now, for example, I was bored at the party. I find myself feeling bored, okay, and the party is boring. So you can tell, I was bored mean I feel bored, okay? And how about adjectives ending in ing? Adjective ended in ed is telling you, okay, how the person feel. Then how about ing? Adjective ending in ing telling things or a person that makes other people feel. For example, the party was boring. It means the party make people feel bored. So you can tell, ed adjective is simply tell how one is feel in that way, in a way. And the other one, ing adjective is, okay, something or some person make other people feel that way. Another example, I am frightened. I feel scared. Okay, for example, I'm frightening. That means I make other people feel scared. Okay, so that is the difference between the ed adjectives and ing adjectives. Let's take a look at another example. I was boring at the party. Okay, I make other people feel bored at the party. Now you can see the difference between I was bored at the party, which means I am bored. Okay, I feel bored. But if I was boring at the party, which means I make other people feel that way. Okay, now that is something you have to be careful. There are some words, okay, they are not ended with ed or ing when they are an adjective. So let's take a look at these two words. The adjectives formed from the verb scared are scared and scary. Okay, scaring is never been used. Okay, so scaring is never used as an adjective. And also, there's some other word. Impress. Impressing is never been used as an adjective. Instead, we say impressive. Okay? Alright, that's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.